Let's make this juicy, tender and delicious cilantro lime chicken thighs. Add 8 chicken thighs to a mixing bowl. For the marinade, add a 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves, 6 peeled garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. Cover the processor and blend until smooth. That's the perfect consistency. Add the marinade to the thighs and work that in until they are fully coated. Cover with cling film and marinate in the fridge for a few hours. Transfer the thighs and the juices to a baking tray, ready to bake them. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. If you like this video, kindly share, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. The chicken is now fully baked. Let the chicken sit for 10 minutes before serving. You can garnish the chicken with some lime slices and cilantro leaves. Let's taste the chicken. The chicken is juicy, tender, and very yummy. I had this chicken with potato wedges and some cabbage coleslaw. Top that with the juices, a lime wedge, and some cilantro leaves. That's perfect. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.